In this video, I'm going to show you how to end your piece of thread whilst you're doing cross stitch. So you've come to the last end, it's getting a little bit runny. We're just going to finish off our last cross. Just go straight through and pull that tight to the other side. Then we'll flip her over and we're going to insert the needle not through the fabric, but just loop it under a couple of stitches of thread and push that through. I tend to use my nail and then pull it out the other side. Of course, it doesn't work when I'm trying to do it on the video. And then pull it through all the way through, and that's nicely secured. And then we just cut off the excess, and there you have a nicely secured thread.